Velas Riviera Nayarit, and I am in a 2-bedroom family suite. And I wanted to get a video of this because it is a huge, I have to look up the square footage here. So here's bathroom number 1, great master. We've got a jacuzzi tub out here, this balcony, which wraps around. And then we have another sitting area here with a beautiful view. So this is bedroom number 1. Again, this is a 2-bedroom family suite at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit. Then you come out here to this huge living area, bar, and then here is bedroom number 2. We have 2 double beds, another balcony, wrap around over here to a big bathroom. And then if we come back out, there is also a bathroom out here in the main space right here. So there are 10 of these on property. The maximum occupancy is 5 people, no matter if it's 3 adults and 2 children. So again, 2-bedroom family suite, Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit. This is really great for families. It comes with all of that equipment over there for babies, so you are good to go here.